Okay, for the function f whose graph is given, state the following. We want to find, in part A, the limit as x approaches 2 of the function f of x. So we need to find out where is 2 located at. So we have here, which is 0. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on this side, we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, and -2. Okay, so what it's asking us is to find the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x. So what that's saying is that where the function is approaching 2 from the left and from the right. So as it is approaching 2 from the left and as it is approaching 2 from the right, we see that it's going towards positive infinity. Okay, next we want to find out what is the limit as x is approaching -1 from the left. So as x is approaching -1 here from the left, then it's going towards positive infinity. Now in part C it says the limit as x is approaching -1 from the right. So as x is approaching -1 from the right, we see that it's going towards negative infinity. So in part D, the limit as x is approaching infinity of the function f of x. So we can see here that as the function is approaching positive infinity on the right, well then it's going towards 1. So that means that's going to equal 1. Okay, and then in part E, as the limit of x is approaching negative infinity, so as this function is going towards negative infinity, we see that it's oscillating to the value of 2. So therefore that is equal to 2. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to find the equations of the asymptotes. So we want to find the equations of the vertical asymptotes and the equations of the horizontal asymptotes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So we want to find the equation. All right, so let's take a look at the vertical asymptotes. Well, here we have a vertical asymptote that's going through the value of -1. So we have one equation of a vertical asymptote where x is equal to -1. And then we have another vertical asymptote here that's going through 2. So we have another one at x is equal to 2. Okay, now we need to find the horizontal asymptotes. So the horizontal asymptotes, here we can see that it's leveling off at the value of 1. So therefore we have y, which is equal to 1. And then over here, we saw that it was oscillating to 2. So therefore, the other horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 2.